good experience because I met a lot of good people. The teachers were good actually, very supportive. And in fact, I was the CR for the whole 4 years. So it was a very good experience for me also. I had to interact with lots of teachers and HODs also. So it was a very good experience overall.
All the faculty members, all the staff of Chandigarh University has helped me a lot in order to grow my personality and in order to overcome the challenges of the professional world. With this, they have helped me to become a proper gentleman, and they have completely helped me in order to attain a different identity of my corporate world. So with this, I would like to thank Chandigarh University.
Today we conducted the convocation ceremony for 2024 of the BTech and MTech students. It was attended by almost 573 students who had graduated in various engineering courses. There were many candidates who bagged the doctorate degrees, and out of some of them they were gold medalists. And the very interesting part of this was that many of the gold medalists and the students who got the doctorate degrees were women, which really goes to show the women empowerment in the country, which will go a long way in building the India of the future.